Hey, sweeps as well.
Oh my guy! But I've just done it in 20 minutes, lads. They don't call me fucking genius for nothing, Kieran. Kieran, who's that? Go! Yeah, lads. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. It's been a while since I've uploaded to YouTube, and that's just because I've got a lot of other things going on at the minute, and I'm trying to take a back step from uploading videos and put my time into other things like the clothing. So the clothing's going to get relaunched soon. And we've actually opened our new rally as well. We've actually opened a new rally, like a car rally. We're going to start going through Scotland. I'm not going to go about it too much in this video because most of you would have seen it on Instagram, and I do all the updates on there. But we started a new rally, and we're going to be going all around Scotland with. So we're going to get like spare fuel. We've got hotels. We've got a few little gifts, nights out, little adventures. It's going to be an amazing little thing. So we're going to do that starting next year. We're concentrating on that, so that's why the video has been a setback. But we've got the Audi in today, and I've not done a video on the Audi. I think the only thing I've done to the Audi is like clean it. Just debadged it that time we brought it in. I don't think I've actually done anything else rather than that. So I wanted to take off the headlights and like, you know, paint them and that, but I've done that before, so it'd be boring. But I wanted to retrofit some DRLs. So I bought these off eBay. They were literally like £3. I'm a little bit annoyed at the term. They come with this big box, which is going to be annoying. Not sure how I'm going to feed that through the headlight. But we actually did it to Emily's C30 not long ago, and we put the angel eyes in it with some of these. So we're going to see if we can fit these into the Audi headlights and make some sweet DRLs, bro. I don't know if they've got that sort of indicator.
Oh yeah, like the sweeping.
I'm not sure if they've got that one, but we've got a battery here, right? Well, let's just hook up a little thing here. Yeet! Okay, that's just the daylight running lights. Woohoo!
Pretty bright then.
They are fucking bright.
Yeah, they're good then.
And then let's do the indicators. Hey, sweeps!
Well.
Oh my guy! I didn't think they'd sweep, lad.
That's pretty sick, that.
That's pretty sick, that. Right,
For £3 quid?
£3 man.
That's not bad, that.
Right, so what we're going to have to do is, I've not actually never filmed, I've never actually seen anyone do this either. I've actually done it to a car, but it was just like, you know, common sense. It doesn't really need much videoing, but I know that a lot of things aren't that common sense to some people. So we're going to do it. I've got to take the headlight off that car. I think I have to strip the bumper, because he lost his ball. We're going to have to take the bumper off, which might be an issue on the Audi. Strip the headlights, we've got a heat gun, we're going to prime the parts. Halford's over the road, I'm going to run and get some satin black. Have you got any sandpaper, scotch pads or anything?
I've got some sandpaper, not much though.
Right, that'll be right, just a little light little squat. And we're going to install these now. They're not what I expected, so it might be difficult. We're going to have to get some like Gorilla Glue or some shit, but we're going to do it, Kieran. It's going to be sick as fuck. So yeah, if you do want some information on this rally, go and follow our Instagram. It's @TrueRally. We're almost at 1,000 followers now. It's only been for 3 days. It's going to be amazing. The response we've got to this rally is insane. So thank you guys. So go over, follow Instagram, send me messages on there if you've got any queries about it and stuff. But it's going to be teaming up. Me and Will are teaming up. It's getting serious now. We've got accountants and lawyers involved and everything like that. So it's serious. And it's going to happen. It's going to be unreal. Now the ironic thing about YouTubers is that you always watch another YouTube video to learn how you do it. Like it's like YouTube Inception. This Audi, looking at this guy, although he's putting gaffer tape on his paint, the mad bastard. It's just 2 bolts, bro. Like this Audi's surprising me. When I changed my air filter with Kieran, it took me 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even that.
Yeah.
It was 4 bolts and the air bolts just put. I love German cars, me, Kieran.
Yeah, they're good, you know.
I love German cars, me. But I've just done it in 20 minutes, lads. 20 minutes I've just done. I've decided as well, Kieran, we're going to paint the alloys ourselves.
I've got a spray gun as well.
Have you?
Yeah.
Man, what colour they going? Gloss pink. Right, here she is, Mr. Minor. Hi, hello. Whoa, careful, boys. Whoa, look at, whoa, hot boy. I will need to do an automatic transmission fluid change as well. Do you know how much it takes? Fucking 13 litres. 13? 13 litres of automatic transmission fluid, yeah? Yeah. Rinsing hell, mate. Yeah. That's why I've not done it, so I'm going to need a fucking bank loan for that. Right, I'm not believing that this is 2 bolts and then this thing comes out.
No, they're easy.
Tell me that when I was changing the fucking drive shaft. Oh, mate, the Germans know what they're doing, man. I'll tell you. Fuck it, I'm selling the Evo and getting an RS3. There's the headlight. I'm just going to send it with the heat gun, get the casing off, and I'll be able to see where I can feed the wires through from there. I'm going to do it at a corner first. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, mate. This is tough, man. I thought I was doing something wrong at first. So I googled it, everyone was like, they're notorious for being disgustingly difficult to get apart. We're nearly there. We're probably around about halfway. I'm just literally trying, it's like double sealed. It's like sealed on the front and underneath. So what you're only doing is when you heat it, you're only heating the top one. And then the plastic just becomes so fucking weak that you can't get enough leverage on it to undo the bottom one. So I'm literally, it looks like I'm absolutely ruining it, but it's probably because I am. But all this plastic here, once it heats up, I'm just gonna flex it back, but it is actually coming off. Slowly but surely, it's coming off. Fucking hell, we'll do it lad. Preservation, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Oh. Okay, now. Right, we've got to do the other one now. And now this little bad boy is just annoyingly pushed in there. So what we're going to have to do now is just we're going to get some paint, scratch that down, paint that. Actually, but now that's off, it might be a good idea to see where these are going. To be fair, I could just cut it and just do it at the bottom. It doesn't need to come up the side, does it? If I just do it along that bottom bit.
Can you cut it, yeah?
Yeah, cut LED as long as you cut them in the right place. So what would you think? I think it'd just be easy to just put it along that front bit there and that bottom.
Yeah. It would look a bit weird if it came
Cut the side, yeah. Right, I've been sat here trying to figure out how you get these out to paint them black. And I don't think we are. Short answer, I don't think we are. I've been trying to get them out for a while. Them adjusters just, all they're doing is just like rotating up, and the adjusters here aren't releasing them. So I don't really think I'm going to paint them black. Now there's actually not that much in there which is black. So I think all I'm going to do is just clean them up, clean the inside of the lenses, and just make them like a nice chrome again. I don't think I'm going to piss about spraying them black. So do they go away from it? Yeah, they go away from it, don't they? They go away from the block. Right, okay. This headlight, we need this in the middle, going away from it. Right, we've run to Halfords. Got some satin black, got some sandpaper. I'm gonna give it a quick thing here. I'm still not 100% sure. Watch out. So I'm not 100% sure if we are going to paint or not paint the other ones. What do you think?
I think paint.
Paint?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of hassle doing the other ones.
It is a lot of hassle, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe do this.
Oh,
just hold it all back together and see how it looks.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, yeah.
We'll leave it a bit. That wrist action, bro. Alright, that'll do for one cut. Start splitting the other one now. Hey, so much fun! So I'm just going to take the wire for the indicator and then just wire that up to the DRL and then just put the actual bulb holder in and not the actual bulb. I think that'll be the best thing to do. Yeah. Put having two of them in there, and then I'm just going to take the power for the side light there, splice into the power for the side light, and then take the power off that, and then just ground it off. Whatever. There's probably one main ground. So there's a brown here, which is a double ground for the headlight and the side light. So I'm going to ground it for that. You got a multimeter?
No.
Shit. Use the side light would be cool because obviously that's a shared ground. The brown's the ground and that one's the power, so that's easy enough to tap into that one. And we just use the same ground off that really. Well, so it's one ground for both. And then we just need to find out which wire is positive for the indicator. We put the ground on a ground, and we've definitely used crimps. And we put the positive of the side light, which is the white light, onto the positive of the side light, and again we definitely used crimps. So we're gonna try this first.
Yeah.
Woo! Right, and now we're gonna go onto this one. Oh! They don't call me fucking genius for nothing, Kieran. Kieran, who's that?
But your full beam isn't working on this side still.
My full beam isn't working?
It didn't work before, no. No, not working.
We're not getting it. That's working. Right, let's turn off the hazard and tell me if the blue lights go back on.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, the wiring is only there, so I think we should put them all together.
Yeah.
you know, because we can always sort the wiring out a different day.
And you don't need the full beam working now.
No. Right, we're gonna glue this bastard down now. Gorilla Glue, like not even like the epoxy or anything like this. Super glue is so strong, man. Like it's so good. So we're gonna glue this just to the face of it. So it has got sticky shit with it, but I don't really trust it very much. So we're gonna put a layer of Gorilla Glue because it's the fucking best. Not too much, so if it goes overside, it does go a bit weird. So. Right.
I'm glad we painted that black bit.
Yeah.
It looks well better. Oh, you're gonna take that blue strip off as well?
Yeah, I think
yeah.
Right, so I'm heating up all the glue again. And all the plastic. I'm putting it back together, but that's what it's looking like now. Alright, innit?
Yeah, it looks good.
It does look good. Right, are we ready to see the difference? That's what it look like on the car. Woohoo! Are we ready to look? Should we see it? Right, go and press the hazards. Let's hope it works. The key isn't in, but this hazard should come on. Are we ready?
Ready?
Go! Woohoo! Man, that's sick! Bro!
That's nice.
That's sick! That actually looks factory.
It does.
It really does.
Makes it look well more modern.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. That's
Even
nice.
even just the black and the, like, I feel like we're doing a good job with the black and the chrome because now it actually looks like a standard. Bruh,
That looks good, that.
mate.
So I put the full DRL on.
Yeah, the keys in there. Yeah. Turn the hazards off.
Yeah, okay.
Oh! Yo, that looks sick. You might not be able to tell from the camera because it's a bit thingy, but oh, lads.
Really nice.
The camera's not really picking it up, but it's too. So from that,
Wow, that's nice.
oh man, that's sick. Oh, let's put the bonnet down just to.
That looks good.
Oh my god, it's like a different car, isn't it?
It's weird, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's weird how that just changes
That
the
looks.
entire look.
Oh my god, that looks fucking.
Just now.
Woohoo! We love. Oh shit! No. Oh man, what time is it? Can we do the other one? 3:30. I mean, we know what we're doing. Hello. The camera is dying. We might. Should we crack on with the next one? Right. Anyway, the camera is dying, so I'm going to do. I'm going to end the video here pretty much, and then pick it up when the other one's done because the camera's dead, so it won't last much longer for today anyway. But you'll see me, next time you'll see me is when the other one's done, and I'm going to do like a little finish off with the video on that. But for the time being, we're going to crack on with that one. So the next shot you'll see is the car looking even more sicker. Right, what up guys? Sorry I'm a little bit out of breath, I just took the dog for a very long walk. This is me ending the video. I was going to show you, but I just genuinely don't have time. If I don't get this up right now, it's not going to be up by tomorrow. It's not going to be tomorrow, it won't be up by Sunday. If it's not up by Sunday, it's not going to be up till next Friday. So I need to get this done now. It looks sick. It looks like the other side. The passenger side looks exactly like the other side, if not better, because I knew what I was doing that time. So it probably looks a little bit better. The only thing at the minute is, because I've obviously got no bulb in there, when I indicate it, it thinks there's like a broken circuit, so it's doing that thing where it indicates really fast, like what it would do when it tells your bulb's out. So that's annoying. So I'm obviously not going to put the bulb back in because I don't want two indicators, they'll just look stupid. So I think I might be able to get like a little resistor and then just join the two lines up to trick the car into thinking it's got a bulb. But if anyone's got any ideas, if anyone's done this before, let me know in the comments of how I can stop it flashing fast without actually putting a bulb in. So I think the best idea would be some sort of resistor. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. So thanks for watching. So I'm going to get this video up now so it can be up tomorrow morning because I've got loads of stuff going on in the next 5 days. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Love you all. I'll see you next time.